What you see here is a platform called Sherlock AI. Sherlock AI uses 40 plus data sets to analyze consumer behavior, especially in the real world or the offline world and not just digital world. It helps understand at an individual level, anonymized, understand user behavior. Where do people live? Where do they work? What do they do on the weekends? What kind of restaurants they visit? What kind of what's their spending potential? What are their brand affinities? At an anonymized individual level, it is able to understand that. And then the beauty of the platform is that you can actually also reach out to those people using the digital marketing campaigns of Facebook and Google without infringing on the person's privacy. So what you see here is this dashboard, and for example, if you want to reach out to people who are frequent life visitors, nightclub visitors in Gurgaon, in the Delhi NCR region, this is how you would basically go about doing it. So you explore this, you go ahead, create a report, and create a report. Let's say we're saying Gurgaon night clubs, nightlife, Gurgaon. And we can go back in time, we can go back 3 years in time, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to just use maybe a weekend in June, from let's say 31st of May to 31st of May to 2nd of June is something that we could, let's take 1st and 2nd of June. Sorry, this is getting a little complicated. And we shall look at nightclubs. Let's just say nightlife, all of nightlife. You could go by brand. You could look at all the different brands in Gurgaon, the different cafes, different bars. But we're just going to do everything right now. You could look at their ratings. You could filter by the ratings. You could look at the number of the duration that people are there for, and so on and so forth. What I'm going to do is just create this report, and while I hit create, what it does is Sherlock goes through the overall population at an individual device level in Gurgaon. It goes over all the points of interest that exist in the nightlife category, and then analyzes the visitations at those locations to give you this, which is essentially, I can just remove this and show you as I zoom in, and you can see the towers. Each hexagon is a point of interest or a nightclub, and the visitation count, you can see the graded by this scale. And so when you go over here, for example, in Bro House on 1st of June, there were 58 people that we are able to analyze. At Sky Bar Vibe, the Sky Bar on the 1st of June, we were able to find 66 people. And then and at Food Frolic, we were able to find 43 people. Now, the best part is that what you could do is basically right-click on this particular audience segment and upload this audience to your Facebook and your Google Ads Manager and run marketing campaigns to reach out to that specific audience. Now, you could reach out to your team, your sales team, your marketing team could reach out to any particular audience you think. Let me give you a sense of the different POIs and the visitations that we can have. So if you think, let's say in Mumbai city, you want to reach out to, let's again say, people who visit car dealerships in Mumbai. So you could essentially look at, let's take the same weekend, and let's just take car dealerships, and your team could just basically go through that entire taxonomy of points of interest, which is over 50 million points of interest all over India, and understand, once they understand the behavior that they're trying to reach out to, they should be able to reach out to that particular set of an audience right away. So that is the power of Sherlock. Essentially, you could literally decide you want to reach out to people in a particular building, you want to reach out to people in a particular area like BKC in Mumbai, or you want to reach out to people who visit a certain category of stores, people who are frequent coffee drinkers, go to Starbucks or Cafe Coffee Day, and so on and so forth. And again, you see over here, I'm going to remove this time series, and you can see different car dealers. This is the Bentley car dealer, and that particular uh, day there were 83 people. Wow, that's a lot of money in India, in Mumbai. And for example, this is a car dealership, Mahindra car dealership, and that has about 70 visitors. This is the Hyundai Motor Plaza, that's about 101 visitors. So again, you have these different points of interest, and you could play around with all kinds of points of interest to see which ones work the best for your team. And then again, reach out to those audiences on Facebook and Google.